Okay, to remove the turn signal assembly then on 2007 BMW X3, which have everything exposed, I had to unclip this big wire plug that you pull out on this tab right here, and this pops out. And then I just needed to access this plug, which was plugged into the back of the turn signal assembly. And then I went over here and unplugged that plug for the wipers. It just pops off. And then there's 4 T20s on each corner of the steering wheel. And once you have that unplugged, then this whole assembly just pops off.